If you're driving a Ford F-Series and want a dash cam that blends in like it was built for your truck, the Mangoal front and rear dash cam is one of those upgrades that feels almost invisible, but delivers powerful protection every time you're on the road. It's not just about capturing accidents. This dash cam is about clean installation, smart features, and peace of mind 24/7, whether you're driving or parked overnight. Let's break down why this isn't just another dash cam you stick on the windshield, but it's more than that. First up, let's talk about design. Most dash cams dangle wires across your dash, stick out awkwardly, or need messy rewiring. The Mangoal takes a different approach. It's an OEM-style dash cam, designed to install seamlessly behind your rearview mirror. Once it's in place, it looks and feels stock. No bulky mounts, no clutter, no giveaways that you even have an aftermarket system installed. It blends in completely with Ford F-150 models from 2013 to 2017 and F-250 or F-350 Super Duty trucks from 2015 to 2019, including trims like XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Limited, and Raptor. But clean design is only the start. Let's talk about performance. Up front, you get Ultra HD 4K video, capturing every detail on the road, license plates, street signs, even finer details in low light. Paired with the 1080p rear camera, you've got coverage in both directions, front and back. And thanks to wide-angle lenses and enhanced night vision, it delivers clear and sharp footage no matter the time of day or weather conditions. Now, a dash cam is only useful if it protects the footage that matters most. That's where loop recording and a built-in G sensor come in. It continuously records while you drive, overwriting the oldest footage when storage fills. But the moment it detects an impact, that clip gets locked and saved. It can't be overwritten, giving you the evidence you need after a collision or even a minor parking lot scrape. Connectivity is another big win here. The Mangoal has built-in Wi-Fi, letting you connect directly to the free companion app. From there, you can preview live video, download important clips, or share them instantly with friends, family, or insurance. No need to pull out an SD card or mess with a computer. It's all handled straight from your phone. And the connection is fast and stable, so clips download quickly. But it doesn't just stop working when you turn off the engine. With the OBD or fuse box adapter, the Mangoal activates 24-hour parking monitor mode. That means if someone bumps your truck, tries to tamper with it, or gets too close, the dash cam wakes up and records what's happening. You get time-stamped video proof of theft attempts, vandalism, or hit and runs, even while you're away. Everything you need is included in the box. The front 4K dash cam, rear 1080p camera, a 128GB micro SD card, adapter cable, tools for installation, and even a 12-month warranty. It also comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, a supercapacitor for reliable power, and enhanced night vision. In other words, you're not just buying a camera, you're buying a fully integrated security system. To sum it up, the Mangoal OEM-style dash cam isn't just about recording the road. It's about seamless integration, smarter protection, and reliable coverage without making your truck look like it's been hacked together with aftermarket gear. So if you want a dash cam that blends in like it came from the factory, records in crystal clear 4K, and keeps watch whether you're driving or parked, this one deserves a place in your Ford. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon too, so that you never miss a video from Tech Insight.